Hey, this is Joe with the National Ford Truck Club, and it's a pleasure to be here in Chico, California today with Todd LaPant, who is the Director of Engineering for the Driverge. And Driverge has purchased the NorCal Vans here in Chico, who have an absolute great reputation, been in the business forever. Todd's been in the engineering part of automotive for 25 years, I think it is. And we're with Mark Minatel, the president of Driverge Vehicle Innovations in Akron. Welcome, gentlemen, and thanks for hosting us today.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you for having us, Joe.
My last venture here in Chico was when it was NorCal Vans, and it has been in business for 15, 20 years. And my last visit here to the plant was 4 years ago, and I'm just amazed at the changes that have taken place, even in that period of time when this was strictly, almost essentially mobility business, and that was it. So now it's expanded its reach across the marketplace. And Mark, give us Ford dealers an idea of what's going on with Driverge and all of your expansions.
Well, thanks, Joe, and again, thanks for having us. I'll tell you a little bit about Driverge. I'll let Todd brag about all the great things that are happening at NorCal and all the improvements since last time you've been there. But we are excited for our core customer base, the Ford dealer, to have the opportunity to announce that we did acquire NorCal van conversions, and we're really, really excited about it. For all of these years that Transit Works and now Driverge has been in business, we've always kept our base of business in Akron and in Kansas City. And now being able to add to our footprint to have a position, a manufacturing opportunity on the West Coast is really, really exciting for us, and we couldn't be happier. We think that it's a great service to our customers. We serve a tremendous amount of geography from Akron and Kansas City. It would be nice to be on the West Coast, close to the customers, better lead times, more able to react, and we just couldn't be happier in the partner that we found in NorCal as well. Great family with Todd and Laurie. We couldn't be more excited because we think we found kind of our twin on the West Coast, and it's a really, really easy, simple integration when we're alike. Todd?
We are excited as well about being part of Driverge. I think when we merge everything all together, we're going to gain the best of both worlds. I think we're doing some stuff that's really innovative. We're going to be able to grow both sides of it pretty dramatically. Looking forward to the plant staying here in Chico, and really looking forward to working with the team of leaders that they have there at Driverge.
Yeah, that's great. That's great news. I think everybody wins in a situation like this. Particularly, I don't care about you guys, but I, as a Ford dealer, I win, and that's what counts, yeah. Right? Todd, tell us a little bit about the Transit Connect that y'all have here for mobility uses and others.
Well, the Transit Connect, has quite a bit of history with myself and Driverge.
Right.
I was the director of engineering, and I was a lead engineer who designed and developed that entire system at TransferFlow. It has been kind of interesting that I now buy that system from TransferFlow. Yeah. But looking forward to being able to put that in. We do it here at the NorCal plant, but they do a tremendous amount more at the Akron plant. Even in that system, we will definitely learn how to be more efficient, and I think that we have some stuff that I think we can improve on the other side. So just in that case that we've been building the same product for the last 6 years, there is definitely some stuff that we have to merge together to be consistent. Our long-term goal, Mark and I are on the same page, is everything that we build here and everything that they build in the other plants needs to be the same, so you can't tell where it came from. So that is a significant challenge from the engineering perspective and the process perspective of making sure that we're all doing everything the same.
Tell us about the secure vans and other uses of the transit as well.
Over the last few years that Laurie and I have been involved, we kind of took on another market. We call it the secure transport conversions. And then we actually kind of extended that out into what we call the canna cage. So in the secure transport versions, California adopted some regulations regarding transport of cannabis. And so we followed up on those laws, and we started building conversions directly related to the transportation of cannabis. We actually grow a segment, probably 20% of our current business in the secure transport business. And then we branched out, and now we're building kits so that we can ship kits across the United States to meet that same regulation. We ship some out into the Kansas City plant, and they installed them there outside of Kansas City. We've shipped them into Illinois and into Massachusetts, and then some into Southern California, since it's 600 miles from here. So we've started that new market there.
I noticed when we were coming through the plant a while ago, I noticed a couple of refrigeration units. What are those for?
That's another branch that we just started up. The secure transport led into a full-on air conditioning system, and then we had requests for a full-on refrigeration, and we've even done some freezer packages. So it's kind of covers a large gamut in terms of that secure transport. The two units that you looked at will have a full refrigeration with standby shore power. They'll have a safe. They'll have secure cameras. They'll have an alarm system and a secondary locking door in the back. Pretty high-end secure transport conversions.
Well, we Ford dealers are going to have to watch you guys like a duck on a June bug. We're going to have to. There's a lot of changes afoot. It sounds like an exciting 2021, and you guys are leading the field in a number of different venues, and you're a great sponsor, and we appreciate it. Have a great week, great month, great year.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. We'll see you.